All right, in today's video, I'm testing some of the best hidden tricks and features inside of Google Maps. There's tons of hidden tools buried in this app that, yes, both work for Android and iOS that can save you time, keep you safer, and obviously travel smarter. And most people have no idea these tools exist. Enough fluff though, we'll get right into it. Here we go. Okay, first up, and this one's close to home for me, offline maps. My wife and I lived in a camper van for 18 months. Why am I telling you this? Because we used this hack all the time. If you're going off grid or heading somewhere where you know there's gonna be no service, you can actually save/download your maps ahead of time. How do you do that? I'll show you right here. Just search the city, tap download offline map, and then save it to your phone. That simple, that easy. No signal, no problem. I'll probably take that out. Number 2, custom vehicle icons. You may have already known about this one, seen friends, your cool friends, use the custom vehicle icon in Google Maps. But hold on. The custom vehicle icons got even more custom in 2025. You can choose pickup truck, race car, SUV, even change the color. It's fun, easy, changes the vibe a little bit. And number 3, sharing your location and directions. Parents love this one. If you want family and friends to know where you're at, if you're running low on battery in a sketchy situation, you can do this. Tap your profile, go to location sharing, and choose how long you want to share. You can also send turn-by-turn directions straight from the map using that 3-dot menu as well. All right, let's jump to number 4. Actually, 3.5. I do have a 3.5, and it's this. If this is helpful, if you like this, please subscribe or like. It helps me be able to make more videos like this. Thank you. Number 4, airport directories. Before your next flight, you can actually search your airport and tap directory. You maybe ask, what does that do for me? Hold on. You then get a full breakdown of lounges, restaurants, gates, shops, ATMs, all that good stuff. All before you even step inside of the airport. We do a lot of traveling. I love this one. I'm already on Google Maps. I might as well keep all my information in one place. And number 5, explore what's around you. If you're new to a city, don't have a plan, kind of looking to explore, then wait for it. You're gonna tap Explore in the bottom left or swipe up from the map to see trending spots nearby. Anything from restaurants to attractions, hidden gems. What's cool is it's all curated from local guides in real time. I have 3 more for you. And if you've known any of these, you're ahead of the game. If they're new to you, then hopefully you're enjoying this. Number 6, Ask Maps, which is powered by AI, Google's AI, Gemini. It's pretty crazy, but you can actually now literally ask Maps anything. Like, I'm here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. What should I do this weekend? And you'll get custom suggestions based on your location, what time of day, and if you have follow-up questions, they even handle those as well. AI is still blowing my mind on a daily basis what it's capable of. 2 more. Number 7, Lens in Google Maps. So if you've ever been lost in a new city, this can be a lifesaver. You can tap the camera in the search bar, point your phone around, and the lens will actually show you shops, ATM, cafes, and more, all through AR. It's legitimately like turning your camera into a live map. Technology is crazy. Last but not least, number 8, book restaurants in app. Similar to the airports, why go to a third-party app when you can stay inside of Google Maps where you're already living? If you found a great spot, you want to eat there, and it's partnered with OpenTable, which all good restaurants are, you'll see a reserve button right inside of Maps. Tap it, book it, done. No need to open, like I said, another app. Super simple process. Okay, I tried to keep that nice and short for you. No one needs a longer YouTube video than necessary. Hopefully these were helpful. Hopefully they were interesting. I want to dive into more apps like this, kind of dig in and test hacks, tips, tricks, tools that people like yourself, like myself, might have not known about, these apps that we use on an everyday basis. With that being said, again, subscribe, like if this content is helpful, you want to see more. Yeah, till next time, see you later.